Hey there, so today I have something special for all the designers out there. I'm going to be talking about an incredible AI tool that will take your design game to a whole new level. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. So first off, we have FigGPT. FigGPT is an amazing AI plugin that seamlessly integrates with Figma. With FigGPT, you can summarize lengthy text, change styles, generate ideas, compose text from design content, and populate components with sample data. All these powerful features are just a click away, and the best part is it's free. Next on our list is Huemint. Pairings is an AI tool that revolutionizes the way you select colors for your designs. So instead of generating a flat palette, Huemint uses machine learning to generate colors based on their intended use in the final design. Huemint understands which colors should be the background, foreground, or accents. To get started, simply select a design template, and with the click of a button, Huemint generates colors tailored to your design's context. Our next tool is Fontjoy. Font pairing can be a very challenging task for designers, but fear not, Fontjoy is here to help. This AI tool utilizes deep learning to generate balanced contrast in font combination, ensuring a pleasing and cohesive look. With Fontjoy, you can mix and match different fonts, lock in your preferred choices, and even customize font selections. The Font Visualizer offers a variety of options, making it easy for you to explore and select the best font combination for your project. Now let's talk about Remove.bg. Remove.bg is an AI-powered tool that simplifies the tedious task of removing backgrounds from images. With an advanced algorithm, Remove.bg detects object edges and instantly removes backgrounds, saving you time and effort. Isn't that cool? So last but certainly not least, we have Retouching. Retouching is an exceptional set of AI-powered retouching plugins designed to make your photos look flawless. These plugins work similarly to a professional retoucher, providing automatic retouching algorithms. With Retouching, you have access to a range of retouching features like healing problem areas, smoothing skin and preserving texture, removing backdrops imperfection, enhancing eye, adding depth to portraits, and even out of skin tone, and many, many more. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible AI tools that every designer should have in their toolkit. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep designing, stay inspired.